So this is my first issue with the F Type ever since owning it. Got a check engine light, read the code P2565, which it doesn't have a turbocharger, but it's actually a supercharger actuator. Something wrong with it, this one pictured right here. So I checked the wiring. Wiring looked okay. Really no issue there, but there would be no boost, and this was very random. Sometimes it works, sometimes it doesn't. If it's not working, you have to reset the car, and then when it doesn't work, it's as you can see here, very slow. It feels very sluggish, not boosting at all, or not going past like 1 psi of boost on the supercharger. So I had to do a lot of research to figure out what is this part, what's the part number. I had to look online, couldn't find anything. Went to the Jaguar dealership. They were able to help me find the part number, and I wanted to order it, but they said it was $500. I was like, that's too expensive. So looked online, was able to get it much cheaper for $250. Figured worth a try. Here's the two side by side. The new one is slightly different part number, but it's still the same part and fits in perfectly. So here's the install process, and so far it's working well. Hopefully it continues to stay that way, but just wanted to share with you guys and see if there's anyone else out there that has the same issue of not having any boost. This might be your culprit, the supercharger actuator, or supercharger bypass actuator. The space in here is really tight, so I'm just using a ratcheting box wrench to get this one in, and then the other one here is very tight as well, so you have to use a small ratchet and a small socket to get that one in. I'm just gonna get this one in loosely, and then I'm gonna start threading in the other one.